Okay, so I've shown you my truck, how I decked it out and put a ladder rack on it with System 1. I also posted a video about my vest from Occidental Leather 2575 that I use. And now this is my bucket that I typically carry with me into a job so that I have pretty much everything in my vest or in here. So I'm gonna go through, I'll have my little assistant help me, and he's gonna pick up the tools as I kind of tell you what they are. So first I have the speed square. All right, so the speed square is what I use there, of course. I always have an extra one of those, one's in my vest. All right, then we go to the faucet and sink repair. So you can take those out. Really nice multi-tool. If you don't have one of those and you have to replace tools and sets, it's excellent to have. You can switch it out and makes it easier. We've got cold chisels, rasp, and files. All right, those are nice to be used. The side cuts, snips, larger vice grips, larger channel locks, crescent wrench. All right, drywall knife. All right, right there, yes, drywall knife. And then we have the bars. We got 3 bars, smaller one for trim, the medium side for about everything, and then the larger one when you just need a little more oomph. That one's a really nice one from East Wing. It's bigger and works really well. All right, we have the hammer that is softer on each end. Well, that's the regular hammer. I normally carry an extra one in my bucket so that in case I need it, because I'll have one on my vest too. Also have the one here that's the colorful on each end, softer. This one is the 4-pound hammer, which I really like because it's heavier and has that little end on it to bust things better. All right, and then this is the one that he didn't grab yet, but that one is nice if you have to hit something and not try to bang it up. It protects the material a little bit better. The 100-foot tape measure, all right, really nice there. Pencils and markers extra. I always like to have those on hand in case you do that or somebody needs one that you're working with. This tends to be ones they take. Electrical wire twists so that they can, you never know when you need those. Miscellaneous screwdrivers, extra chalk, cutters for pecs, or they're nice to carry. I also carry cutters for copper, and that works for pecs too. But I like the ones for tight spots so that a lot of times when you're doing a repair, it seems like you need to have those. All right, there's the chalk box. All right, move for a second. Then you have utility blades, cold chisel. Right here, you got the punches. All right, the electrical tester. This one's great, a Fluke that you can test the sockets and see if they are correct, open ground and hot, open hot, or it kind of really helps you assess those. Also test GFIs. Wire, if you get into wiring, if I get into too much of a wiring thing, I'll call an electrician, but I can do most stuff. So I'll use the 323 Fluke, nice pouch there. Keep another notebook. I also have one of those in my vest. WD-40 is nice to have around. Another punch. I have a lot of those around. Needle nose pliers, electrical cutters. Sometimes I'll have this siding tool in there just in case you get into a, you pull up and they're like, hey, this siding's blown off, and you just pop it in there. Always nice to have around. Some gloves. All right, so that's mainly most of the stuff that I would do and have with me in my toolbox and my vest. If you watch the vest video, this should cover a lot of stuff that you're going to be doing. And like I said, it just pops up right here in that bucket. Carry that in along with my vest, and I'll be able to do most things. And then obviously my truck's fully loaded, which I do need to post another video about my truck loaded. I showed you how I customized it and made it really nice. So if you have anything that you think I should add to carry, let me know. But this this typically does most jobs. And my truck has the other stuff that I need at any given moment. So thanks, hope you like it. Thanks, bye.